This is the installation of the Onewheel Airtag Keeper for the Pint and Pint X. First, remove the 2 screws on the front foot pad sensor. Then flip over the Onewheel Pint or Pint X and remove the 4 screws on the front of the front bumper. Go ahead and install the AirTag in the Onewheel Airtag Keeper and remove the adhesive backing and place the AirTag Keeper between the borders. Go ahead and install, and it should sit flush. Here's what it looks like. To remove the AirTag Keeper, just push on the edges of the AirTag and it'll pop, and just remove it. As you can see, when you install it, it's not going anywhere. And that's it. That's the end of the installation and removal. Thank you for watching.